What if right now the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? Everything would change in an instant. The ground would still be there, but the world you know would be destroyed in seconds. The planet spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, and everything on it moves with that speed. If it suddenly stopped, everything not anchored to bedrock would keep moving, including you. Cars, buildings, and entire oceans would fly eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. Winds stronger than any hurricane in history would tear across the planet. Tsunamis thousands of meters high would crash into continents. In a single moment, most life on Earth would be gone. The atmosphere would keep moving too. As the planet halted, the air would rush violently around the globe, stripping forests, cities, and mountains bare. The heat generated by friction and debris entering the atmosphere would ignite fires everywhere. Next, the oceans. Right now, Earth's spin makes water bulge outward at the equator. Without that rotation, gravity would pull the oceans toward the poles. Northern regions like Canada, Russia, and northern Europe would be buried underwater, while equatorial zones would become vast deserts. Entire coastlines would disappear forever. Day and night would change completely. A full rotation currently takes 24 hours. Without it, one day would last an entire year. One half of the planet would face the sun for 6 months, burning under constant daylight, while the other half would freeze in endless darkness. Temperatures would swing from unbearable heat to deadly cold, making life on most of the planet impossible. The magnetic field would collapse too. Earth's rotation helps power the liquid iron movement in its core that generates our magnetic field, the invisible shield protecting us from solar radiation. Without it, solar winds would strip away parts of our atmosphere, exposing the surface to deadly radiation and gradually destroying what's left of life. The moon would look different as well. Right now, the Earth's spin and the moon's gravity create tides. Without spin, tides would weaken dramatically, and the moon's orbit might shift over time. But let's imagine a slower stop. Not instant, but over millions of years. Humanity might adapt. The shifting oceans would create new continents and erase old ones. Civilization would migrate toward the twilight zones, the areas between permanent day and night, where temperatures would be more balanced. Humans might build massive structures to harness energy from constant sunlight and create artificial ecosystems in the dark side. In that world, calendars, time, and life itself would change. A year would no longer mean 4 seasons but 2. One endless summer and one eternal winter. Farming, energy, and survival would depend on technology more than ever. And yet, even in that extreme future, life might find a way. Microorganisms, deep-sea creatures, and perhaps even humans with the help of innovation could adapt to the slow, quiet planet that no longer spins. The truth is, the Earth isn't going to stop spinning anytime soon. The forces that keep it rotating have been stable for billions of years. But thinking about this scenario reminds us of one thing: how fragile and perfectly balanced our planet really is. As long as it keeps spinning, we get to live, breathe, and see the sunrise every day. So next time you look at the horizon, remember, the world beneath your feet is moving faster than you can imagine.